In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create dynamic pages on Wix step by step. Dynamic pages are one of the most powerful features in Wix because they allow you to display large amounts of content automatically using the CMS without creating individual pages manually. This is perfect for blogs, directories, portfolios, real estate listings, product catalogs, or any site where content updates frequently. If you're using Wix Studio and want to scale your site the smart way, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged in to the Wix account where your website is located. Once Wix Studio loads, open the site you want to work on. This is where all dynamic pages are managed, so everything starts right here inside the editor. Next, look at the left-hand side menu and click on CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System, and this is what powers dynamic content on Wix. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's very beginner-friendly once you understand the basics. After clicking CMS, go ahead and click on Your Collections. Collections are basically databases where your content lives. Each item in a collection becomes its own dynamic page later on. If you already have a collection set up, great. If not, you can create one first and then come back to this step. Once you're inside your collections, find the collection you want to use for your dynamic pages. On the right side of that collection, click on the three dots menu. This opens additional options for that specific collection. From the drop-down menu, click on Add Dynamic Page. This is the key step where Wix automatically generates pages that pull content from your collection. When you click this, Wix will show you the available dynamic page types, such as an item page or a list page, depending on your collection setup. Now click on Add to Site. Wix will instantly create the dynamic pages and add them to your website. At this point, the structure is done and the pages are already connected to your CMS data. Each item in your collection will now have its own unique URL and page generated automatically. From here, you can customize the design just like any other Wix page. You can click on text elements, images, buttons, and connect them to fields in your collection using the Connect to CMS option. This is how your content stays dynamic, meaning when you update the collection, all related pages update automatically without extra work. Take a few minutes to style your page, adjust layouts, and preview how different items appear. Once you're happy with everything, publish your site so the dynamic pages go live. And that's it. You've successfully created dynamic pages on Wix using Wix Studio and the CMS. This approach saves you tons of time and makes your website much easier to manage as it grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tips, CMS tutorials, and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.